Hi, I am Anindam Molli, and you all are welcome to my channel Technical Ori. I also welcoming you on my C programming course. Our today's topic is searching a node in single linked list. This is part 45. Now let's start. First, I will tell you that what is the concept, what is the work. Basically, for an example, this is the linked list. Four nodes are there. Zeroth node, index 1, 2, 3. Okay, data is 1, 2, 3, 4. Four nodes are there. Now, for an example, we are searching a node. Basically, data. Basically, data. Node data of a node. For an example, we are searching the 4. We are searching the 4. So in a just this diagram, you just find the you find that this 4 value, that means the node value, which is data is 4, find the index 3. That is our target to finding. We are searching one by one the node of node data, the data part of every node, and then find in which node data is actually matching to our searching item, and return the index of that node. Okay, now go to the Dev C++. This is our code. Okay, this is our code for this is our code for exchange. This code for searching a node. Okay, searching a node in singly linked list. Linked list. Okay. So now we declare the function that is void find for finding the node value. Okay, means finding the item. We use declare the function void find. Now in the case 3, if your choice is 3, then go to this case 3 and calling the find function, then break. This is our function void find. Okay, I will trace this code. Now first, struct node star pt. First we declare a pointer of struct node type, name is pt. Now in search take a variable search and I assigned with 0, then another variable that is flag. Now pt equals to head. For an example, this is our list. Okay, this is our list. Now so this is our list. Now pt equals to head. Now first tell me what is head. Obviously normally head is pointing to the first node, so head is now pointing to the this node. The value is data part is 1, means first node. Now pt equals to head means now head become pt. That means in simple way just think that pt and head are pointing the same node. That is the head and pt, two pointers are pointing the same node, that is the first node. Value is 1. Now check if pt equals to null. pt equals to null. No, because they have a one node, because pt is pointing a node. So how pt become a null? Not possible, because pt is storing the reference, storing the address of a node. So how pt become null? Not possible. Go to the else part. Print enter the item which you searching. Scan a percentage d % search. That means for an example here we searching the value that is 4, means we are searching the node whose data part or item is data or value is 4. We are searching this. Okay, now while pt not equals to null, again check pt not equals to null. Obviously pt not equals to null, pt have a pointing a node, means storing the address of that node. So obviously pt is not null, condition is true. Now entering the body of the while loop. Now check if pt arrow data equals to search. What is the value of pt arrow data? 1 is equals to search, means what is search value? 4. If 1, check if 1 equals to 4, condition is false. Go to the else part. Check. Else flag is assigned with 1. So flag is assigned with 1. Now 5. Escape from else. Then I plus plus. Now what is the I value in first? I is assigned a 0 initially. Now I plus plus means I become 1 now. Then PT equals to PTR on next. That means next node. This PTR updated. PTR shifted to the next node. Means what is the meaning of what is the value? What is the meaning of PTR on next? This is a PT node. For an example, though it is a pointer, but here we are assuming that it is a node. Okay. PT arrow next means this node, means next of PT. Now PT arrow next become PT. That means in simple way PT is the pointing the this node. It is previous on previous PT is pointing the first node. Now PT is pointing the second node, means index 1. Means after updation this is a become the list. So here it is pointing the first node. Okay, fine. The PT is now pointing the second node. It is updating. Again go to the loop, while loop. Check the condition. PT not equals to null. Obviously PT not equals to null, condition is true. Then check if PTR of data equals to search. What is the value of PTR of data? 2. 2 equals to search means 4. Check if 2 equals to 4. Condition is false. Now check. Now go to the else part. Have assigned the flag value as 1. Yes, right. Then escape, exit from else. I plus plus. What is I value? 1. Now, I plus plus means I equals to I plus 1. I become 2 now. PT equals to PT arrow next. Now, what is the PT value? Here, PT is now pointing out. PT arrow next means next node. Now, PT is pointing to the third node, meaning index number 2. Previously, PT are pointing to the second node. Now, PT equals to PT arrow next means PT are shifted to the second node, means next node. Okay. So now, after updating, this is the list. Head is obviously head is not changing. The head is pointing the first node now. So PT previous PT is pointing to the second node. Now PT goes to PTR next means PT is pointing to the third node, means updating PT. PT is now pointing the third node. PT is now pointing here. Okay. Again check. Go to the while loop. While PT not equals to null, obviously condition is true. Check if PT arrow data equals to search, means what is the value of PT arrow data? 3. 3 equals to search. What is the search value? 4. Check. 3 equals to 4. Condition is false. Now go to the else part. Flag is assigned with 1. Yes, right. Escape from, exit from else. I plus plus. What is I value? Previous 2. I plus plus means I equals to I plus 1. 2 plus 1, that is I become 3 now. PT equals to PT arrow next. Again PT shifted to the next node. So now PT is pointing to here. This is after updating PT. This is a list. Okay. Previously PT is pointing here. PT equals to PT arrow next means PT are pointing to the next node here. Now PT is pointing here. Now again check. PT not equals to null. Yes. Check if PT arrow data equals to search. What is the value of PT arrow data? 4. 4 equals to search. That means 4. Search value is 4. We are searching the data, that is 4. Yes, matching. Right. Entering the block of if. Printf enter the in the item found in the location %d I. That means I is printed. What is the value of I here? 3. So 3 is printed. Now flag is assigned with 0. Yes, flag is assigned with 0. Then escape from if. Then if you are again go, then PT not equals to null. Yes, PT arrow date. Okay. So our work is over. Okay. So escape from this if. Now come here. I plus plus. What is I value PV on before? I was 3. Now I plus plus. That means I incremented. I become 4 now. PT equals to PT arrow next. Pointing to the next. That means in simple way there is a no node that is pointing to null. PT become pointing to null. Again, if you check on the while loop, PT not equals to null. Condition is false. Now this condition is not true because flag equals to 0 now. So stop here. That means in simple way we are finding the our search value, that is 4 on the position of 3. That is success. That is correct because if we are calculate the index is yes on index number 3 we have found a node having the value of 4. So that is a way of tracing the code of searching the node value on a singly linked list. That is, this is the function void find. Okay, this is the function important. Linked list is very, very, very important for your academics as well as your job purpose. Okay. Linked list is very, very, very important. Okay. This is a code. Okay. Now, now you run the code. This is the whole code. Okay. This is a whole code. Okay. This is a whole code. Now we run our code. Execute our code. Okay. Compile. Wait some time. Yes. No error. No warning. Okay. Click on execute. Run. Enter a choice for one. If your choice is one, we are insert a node. Obviously, there is no node, so we are inserted. Choice is one. Insert node like one. Again, enter choice is one. Insert node two. One. Node is like three. Insert node one. Like five. One. Like eight. Now we are display all linked list. So for display, what is the choose? What is the choice? Two. That is display. Two is display. This is our list. First node, second node, third node, fourth node, or zero node number. That means index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, for an example, we are finding this data, that is 5. Search value is 5. So, this we are searching. So, we are for searching to the choice is 3. So, now, which item we are searching? 5. Okay. 5 is which index? This is the node, okay? First node 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the data part. These are basically all nodes. How many nodes are there? 5 nodes. We are finding the data that is 5. So now, what is the index of 5? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3. What is the value return? Yes, item on the founder location is 3. Okay. So right item found on the location 3. This is the correct result. As we are know that this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 5 is on the index number 3. Correct result it is showing. Now, this is a basically code. Keep practicing and trace the code, because tracing is first important. Is clear your concept. What are the algorithm does? That is understand the algorithm, understand the logic, how our function are working. And I would like to say a thing that in your competitive exam on your job purpose, what is the on that time sometimes they are telling you that write a function. For an example, like searching a node in single link, just you write a function. So that function, concept of this function, logic is important. Tracing the code is very, very, very important. After you know what is the logic, what is the work, like this code, then we are just implement by using any language. Okay, that is important. Okay, so keep practicing. Thank you.